Morning students, my name is Chef Sunil and I am going to present different types of vegetable cuts. Let's go. Sorry, peeling. This is known as a peeling. Peeling means when you take out the outer unedible part. This is known as a paring. Now I am cutting this one into a half slice. This is known as a half slice. You can say slicing, but slicing I am doing a half slicing, right? So I am keeping over here. After that you have to be
yes sir.
This is known as a peeling. So we have to cut this one because this is not required basically. I am going to do the julienne. First you have to make a thin slices like this way. Then you have to cut in this way. So the matchstick will be come out. This is known as a julienne cutting. This is known as a julienne cutting, like a matchstick. Tell you how to do the slicing. This cutting is known as a slicing. Next, roundel, you can say. I am doing this one on a brinjal. You can say roundel. Okay. And next I am going to show you how to obtain the jardiniere cutting, that is also known as a baton shape also. So first we have to cut like this. Okay, and after that cut it between little bit so that the equal shape will be come out. For a jardiniere, you have to make thick slices like that, okay? And in and all around, you have to make it uniform. Then only you will get a proper cut. This cut is known as a jardiniere. Next cutting I am going to show you, that is, the name is slit. Slit, those who have in a lengthwise, when you cutting into a lengthwise, this cutting is known as a slit, like this. When you cutting this thing into a lengthwise, this is known as a slitting. Next I am going to show, this cut is known as a paring. When you remove the outer skin with the help of a thumb impressions, the knife is moving all around the skin, only the skin part will be cut out, and gradually you have to be cut it down because you have to pay extra attention so that it will not break down in between, like this way. This type of a cutting is known as a paring. Same way you can do the paring on an apple also, and make a flower on it, out of it, like this way. I'll show you how to make a flower. Like this you have to do round, gently you have to be around it so that it should not be break because it's very delicate. and after that you have to be placed in this way. So see, now I am going to show you how to do the shredding. Shredding is always done on the leafy vegetables. When you cut like a small thread, like this, small thread will be, you will get, this is known as a shredding. Show you how to do, how to obtain a chef naan. This is also done on a leafy vegetables. And after that, this is a spinach I have taken, and after that if you saute with the butter, then it will become a chef naan. Okay, now I am going to show how to obtain a lemon wedge. This cutting is known as a lemon wedge. This is known as a lemon wedge. The aim is to do this full cutting. While you cutting this one, the seed should not be comes into over there, and after that you can squeeze it. Now next cutting is brunoise. So first you have to be do from brunoise cutting. You have to make a very thin slices. As you see the earlier when I did it same way on the julienne, but julienne slices have a little thick. As compared to julienne, you have to make a very thin slices. This is the number one step. And after that, you have to make a julienne, file julienne. The next step is to obtain the brunoise cutting. Again you have to cut a small dices, very fine dices. मैं कटिंग जो दिखा रहा हूँ, that is known as a मेसोडाइन. पहले यहाँ से थोड़ा हल्का सा फ्लैट कर लेंगे. अगेन वेरी थिक स्लाइसिस. देन जार्नियर obtain, and after that the dices. This is a mesodyne, the dice, you can say bigger dice. How to do a chopping? First you have to cut like this, and after that then recollect it and again cut like this. So this cutting is known as a chopping. First you have to make a half slices, and then you have to cut lengthwise. This is known as a chopping. Yes. Now I am going to show how to obtain a Poisson cutting. Poisson cutting is known as 3 different types of a shape, but that should be in a uniform. So first I am cutting like this. First I am going to make a square one. square like this. Next is rectangular like this. One is square, the second one is rectangular, and the third one is with the help of a Persian scooper. I am just taking it out like this. Sorry. Like this. These three different cuttings, but that has to be in a uniform shape, is known as a Python cutting. You can say that is a fine one. Right, in this way, and then again have to cut like a julienne. This cutting is known as a allumette. Students, now this is going to, how to obtain a floret skirt, because it is naturally formed, so you have to be removed like this, in a natural form. This is known as a floret. No need to cut like this in between. Cube cutting. This cutting is known as a cube, like this. Cube and dice is, this is the difference. Dice is square all around and cube like this. In Indian cube, we always prefer cube cutting. Mirpua, whatever the left here trimming vegetable, that you have to cut into a coarse wise, here roughly chopped and reduced according to your desire, is known as a mirpua. It is a combination of different vegetables. This cutting is known as a mirpua. So how you obtain the longe cut? First you have to make a thick slices, then again jardiniere cutting. Okay, now here the tricky game you have to play over here, like this. ये बेस आपको बनाना है, then cut like this. Now see, this is known as a longe.